Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a futures trading tutorial, something really simple. I'm using the MotiveWave platform, so I'm using the roller coaster trading indicator suite for MotiveWave. It's also available for lots of other platforms, so please check the links down below. But I just want to go through this very simple. This is scalping. This is gold futures on the 1 minute. It's Heikin Ashi. Heikin Ashi just smooths it out a little bit. With the roller coaster, you can use Renko, Unirenko, tick charts, Heikin Ashi, or normal candles if you wish. I just find that you need a smoother roller coaster ride, if you like, and those Heikin Ashi candles do that for you. So this is just a moment in time, and then we're going to just look backwards and forwards. So basically what the roller coaster does is looks for a stochastic MACD cross. So in reality, to trade that manually, it's quite complex. And then we add a few points of controls with EMAs to get entries and to manage the trades. So let's go through this. So remember, the software does it all behind the scenes. It prints an entry line here, a green line, okay? And that's at 1672.1 in this case. So this is 1 minute time frame. It's always below, 1 or 2 ticks below. You can change that, the signal candle. So this actually takes 5 minutes to actually get in. Takes a little bit of heat. The stop's all the way up here above the previous pivot at 74.7. So 62, 74. So it's 25 ticks, okay, 25 tick stop. Now, if you are only willing to risk 20 ticks, for example, if you get a wide stop like that, you just don't take the trade. Simple as that, okay? But sometimes the more risk, the more reward. In this case, the risk to reward was you got 50 ticks. So we got taken in, and then the trailing stop, this stitching here, that's your trailing stop position. So every time a candle closes, it adjusts you need to adjust the trailing stop to those prices until eventually we get taken out a 50 tick profit. So that's the big down momentum of a roller coaster there. We don't get a trade coming back up here, a little move up, we get a signal coming down, a few minutes later it gets taken in and we make a few ticks, so it's break even really. We then get a long order, but it doesn't break the entry, it doesn't go through the start line. And then conversely, when it comes back down, we get a short order that goes in for a little 5 tick profit. So these are the little moves on the roller coaster. And then we get a long signal here. Actually doesn't trigger until this point, a good 8 or so minutes after the signal. And then it goes 23 ticks profit. This was a very narrow. So this is 66.8. to 67 points. It's only 11 tick risk there for a 23 tick profit. Very, very good. So you can see here, 100% win rate. We go along. We got other trades here. We got a along with a little bit of profit. We've got a short with a big profit here. And then recently we've had a long, took some heat again. This is a big risk. Would you actually take this trade? That's the thing you've got to do when you're using this trading indicator, is set yourself some rules. If it's over a certain amount of tick risk, you just don't take the trade. There will be other opportunities. It did eventually win. We came back down, we got a little winner here, and this is where we are live right now. So it's a very, very simple tool. To be honest, it's a complex trading strategy, but the software does it all behind the scenes and just prints the stops, the entries, and then the trading stop positions for you. A true roller coaster motion of an instrument can be seen using different chart types. So this is a Heikin Ashi 1 minute chart. You can use Renko, Unirenko, tick, range charts, volume charts. Just find the groove, and this will be a great trading strategy. And you can use it for futures, stocks, crypto, and even forex. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.